I don't wanna hurt nobody. All I'm doing is being me. Smoke so much, you can't even feel the pain.
I'm smoking gas to take the pain away, no. And you gon' see me having better days. I knew this shit was gon' be great when I was making plays. And all that shit up in the past, it never really fazed me. So baby, what you wanna drink on? Get you all alone and what you think on? Having shorty all up on her knees on. I like to feel that ocean breeze on. Knowing that they all cap on. Niggas don't be rapping what they really living. I'ma tell you this one time and you ain't gotta feel it. Stand on 10 toes like KJ, they know you the realest. Standing on my business, I know niggas gon' hate me. Baby girl, you driving me crazy. Put you in that 23 Mercedes. Shawty bad, so she gon' keep them niggas waiting. Fuck that other side, no we can't do no snaking. No we can't do no faking. That shit I'm going vacant. Time to go out on vacation. I'm having motivation. They know KJ paper chasing. Call up Tyler Juice that I'm gon' tell him we done made it. Eat this shit like dinner, I don't need no reservation. Rockin' out your city. I done told the bros come with me, got me full of misery. I done told the boys get witty, before they left out in the past. What you know about split fit, that shit ain't never last. I'm smoking gas to take the pain away, no. And you gon' see me having better days. I knew this shit was gon' be great when I was making plays. And all that shit up in the past, it never really fazed me. So baby, what you wanna drink on? Get you all alone and what you think on? Having shorty all up on her knees on. I like to feel that ocean breeze on.